Right, hello everyone, welcome back. I put a post on YouTube, a community post saying I've been in a car crash the other day and a person denied it in me. Video to follow. So, this is the video. Now I should have said I've been in a bump because people are asking if I'm alright. So I'm fine, you know, it was just a bump. The annoying thing about it is they've denied it in me. When I've got the dash cam, so always have a, you know what, if you haven't got a dash cam, get a dash cam in your car if you need one. Okay, I've got the dash cam footage. Now on the footage, you see the car pulling out. As quick as it is, you see the car pulling out. You hear the bump and you see the car shake. Okay, I've clearly been hit by this car. The lady in question's totally denied it in the video. You should hear it, just so, you know, blasé about it. She didn't hit me, point blank didn't hit me. I've had to blur it out because I'm not sure if the passenger is a child or not. Okay, so I've blurred out just in case, just to cover my own back. I've only blurred out where faces are in it. Okay, the rest you can see like the damage on the cars and stuff like that. You can see the dash cam footage. I've only blurred out faces. It's annoying, really annoying. So I've got to take the hit on this now. Not worth going through the insurance, because it'll just make my premiums go up. Watch the footage, you decide what you know, if I've been it. I clearly have been it. It's the funny thing is, she's hit me. Then I've pulled over further up the road and she pulled in behind me. And I get out the car and she goes, I didn't hit you then, you know. Well, if you didn't hit me, why have you stopped? Why don't you just carry on driving? Why don't you just get on with your day if you didn't hit me? It doesn't make sense to pull up behind someone and say to them, I didn't hit you, you know. It makes absolutely zero sense. If you do that to every car you're behind, you're going to get nowhere in your journey. Okay? So you clearly did hit me. And that's why you pulled in behind me, to deny it that you hit me. So, just blows herself up. All the way through the video, blows herself up. She knows what the colour white is, but can't tell you what the colour black is. Apparently black is grey now. But couldn't wait to tell me what the colour white was. All the way through the video, like she's got form, she's done it before, she's hit another car, and that's why the damage on her car isn't what she's just done to my car. Okay? Watch it, make your own minds up. Crazy.
Fundraising is done by institutions, but they won't get involved in the market directly.
Is this what the pension changes were about from Rachel Reeves? So she's trying to create mega funds to invest more in the UK, and I noticed that the Chancellor has actually given herself the power to...
You did touch me. You did.
On my
You
life,
did.
I did not touch you at all.
You've just done that to me car.
Not my, that mark has been on my car.
Okay. How can you say you didn't touch me?
I didn't touch you at all.
You what? Can you move back so you can get in? What's there's a car behind you?
I don't know, yeah.
Don't hit that one either. Right, what's your details?
What's me, what's my details?
Address, phone number.
Well, have you got a pen? I'll write it down.
Just tell me.
It's, have you got it on video?
Yeah. It's on Dashcam.
That's fine, because I didn't touch you, mate.
You did touch me.
I did not
You did
touch
touch
you.
me.
I swear on my mum's life, I did not touch you.
The institutions, but they won't get involved. Institutions, but they won't get involved. Institutions, but they won't get involved. But they won't get involved in the market directly.
At all.
The car rocked and everything.
No, it didn't.
It did.
Institutions, but they won't get involved in the market directly.
Didn't my car move at all? I did not touch your car. That mark has been on my car since what? 2000. than freaking 18 or something.
Right, okay.
Trust me, because I've got videos.
I'll
I've got
come round
proof of
tonight
that.
with the dashcam footage and
Yeah,
show
yeah,
you. Dashcam
right.
footage and show you,
Okay, that's
alright?
fine, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, didn't touch
We're doing a
me.
six. Alright. You need to learn how to drive for a
Mate,
start.
the one, why are you being abusive?
I'm not being
Why are
abusive.
being
You need to learn how to
me?
drive.
There's 3 girls in the car and you're saying being
You-
pure abusive. Like,
you need
there's
to-
no
I'm
need for
recording,
that.
I'm not being
That's
abusive.
Fine. That is fine. I don't want to be on social media.
That's
thank
tough.
You.
Unless you admit to it, I won't put it.
did
If
not touch
you
your
admit to it, I
car.
won't put it
That
on.
mark was on my car
If
years
you admit
ago.
to it, I won't put it on.
That mark was on my car years ago, mate. I did not.
You what?
I'm just going to take a picture of you and your
Go ahead.
car.
You can. You've just done this. You've just done this.
Not do that at
You've
all.
just done it.
No,
Now.
I
You've
did
just done it now.
not.
What?
With what?
Where did it come
Where's
from?
the white come from, mate?
Where did it come from?
That mark has been on my car since 1980-12 or something, mate.
1980-12?
Did that years ago. Did that years ago. Did that years ago. Did that years ago. White. And a what? White. Where's the white come from?
Where's the white
Where's
come
the
from?
white come
It's coming from your bumper.
Where's the white come from, mate? Yeah, look. Where's the mark?
Okay, so, okay. Hey, where's that white come from?
That was when I did my car on a white car. That's when I did that on a white car. I swear I did not touch you. Go and get me a wipe and I'll wipe it all off.
I don't need to
Look.
wipe it off.
It's coming off. It's not even a scratch on your car. Look.
There's not a scratch on my car. You
Nah.
just hit it.
I did not hit
Is
it.
that not a scratch? What's
I
that?
did not do
What's
that.
that? What colour's that?
Wow,
What colour's
whatever.
that?
What colour's what?
What colour's this?
This?
Yeah.
I don't know, mate, but that was
What
not
colour's
me.
that? And what
was
colour's
not
your
me.
car?
That was not me at all.
Right. What colour's that?
That
What colour's
was
your car?
not me at all.
What colour's that? What colour's
No,
your car?
you're trying to blame me for
What
the
colour's
mark
that?
was on your car.
What colour's that? What colour's your car?
What do you mean? What
Just tell
colour's
me what
your
colour
car?
that is. You can easily get in there, love.
Yeah, no, it's fine, look. I swear I did not cause
What
that
colour's that?
damage.
What colour's that?
What do you mean, what colour's that?
What colour is it? What colour do you
Grey.
call that?
Grey. Grey, because there's black, there's grey. That was
So,
not done
so that's
by
the
me
paint
at all. That
scraped
was not
off
done.
by your car.
So, no,
Okay.
not at all.
It is.
No, it's
It is.
not.
It's that easy. It's
Well,
on
then,
Dashcam.
mate,
I'm
what?
not asked. It's on Dashcam.
Show me the Dashcam then.
I will later.
Get me the
Once it's
Dashcam.
downloaded.
Okay, that's great.
Okay, I'll show you
'Cause I
later.
swear
But they won't get involved in the market directly.
I didn't touch your car.
Right, okay, off you pop. See you later.
That's fine, mate.
See you later. Off you pop.
Throw you on YouTube as well.
See you later.
Yeah, you
See you later. See you later.
caused me or damage. You did that.
It's on Dashcam. Don't worry about it. It's on Dashcam. It's on Dashcam. It's fine. Okay. I'll share the footage and I'll share you. Alright. See you later. Let her drive off in case you accuse me of abusing it again. Shouldn't crash into people then, should you? And deny it. See you later. Enjoy it. Now what do you think of that? Did she hit me? It's clear that she hit me. The damage is there. The damage is on her car, the damage is on my car. Now, what's really bad about this? Because I'm male and she's female, she starts playing the victim. And it's wrong. Started saying I was getting abusive when all I said is, you need to learn to drive. Because that's shocking driving. You know, she saw the first car come and waited. Why didn't she see me? But these things happen, okay? Just admit that you've done it. And to play the victim like you did, you know. And then at the end, she's saying to the person in the car, I don't know if the mic picks it up. It's something along the lines of, he's being abusive to accusing me of hitting his car when I didn't hit his car. When you clearly did hit my car, you know. And I've got to sort this out now. If I go to my insurance is about £500 excess. It won't cost £500 to fix that. But I'm going to have to pay the excess for the insurance to sort it out. Then my premium's going to go up. Okay, your insurance will pay for it. But I've got to pay the excess. And my insurance will still go up because you hit my car. And that's how insurance works, you know. It's not even worth claiming anymore. Even if you write your car off, you may as well just take the hit. It's going to cost you more in the long run. Because that's how bad insurance companies are. But you've got to have it by law. So, yeah. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment. Definitely leave me a comment. And give us a thumbs up. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.